Want to eat like a king on your cruise without paying a dime for extra dining? I'll show you how to unlock lobster nights, midnight snacks, and even secret food spots on the Royal Caribbean's Mariner of the Seas. Welcome back to Twists and Travels. I'm Pam, and today we're talking all things food. What's free, what's fabulous, and how you can skip specialty dining charges without ever feeling like you're missing out. Hey, love seeing the world with us? Hit subscribe and turn on the notifications. We'd love to have you along for every trip. Let's start with breakfast, the most important meal of the day. The buffet is great, but if you want a calm, seated start to the day, the main dining room serves a full breakfast with eggs, your way, pancakes and more, totally free. Bonus tip, if you fill out your room service breakfast door hanger the night before, you can get pastries and coffee delivered for free. That's especially helpful if you have mobility needs or an early excursion, or if you just want to relax on your balcony and have a private breakfast with your loved one. Free lunch like a pro. You've got choices. The buffet, the main dining room on sea days, or quick bites like Sereno's Pizza or Park Cafe. And don't forget, most ships also have an open-air grill near the pool for burgers and hot dogs, totally included. Dinner delights. Dinner is where you'll really feel like royalty. The main dining room is elegant, and best of all, you can order multiple appetizers or entrees, well, even dessert. Yes, really. On formal nights, keep an eye out because Royal Caribbean and many other cruise lines often include lobster tail at no extra charge. Has to be 7 nights or longer, though. We learned this one the hard way on our 5-night Mariner of the Seas cruise. No lobster. Are you craving a late-night snack? The Cafe Promenade is open around the clock on many ships with cookies, sandwiches, and coffee, all free. And yes, there's even ice cream by the pool. You're never too old for a cone by the ocean. It's not self-service on a lot of Royal Caribbean cruises, but hey, that's okay. The extra freebies. Are you traveling for a birthday or anniversary? Let your waiter know. They'll often bring you a free celebratory dessert. Also, events like art auctions or loyalty gatherings sometimes offer complimentary drinks and hors d'oeuvres. There is so much free food on board, it can be hard to keep track. That's why I made you a free cruise guide, a printable cheat sheet that lists all the included dining, snacks, and tips to get more without paying more. Download it using the link in the description or save it to your phone before you sail. That's how to eat like royalty on your cruise without spending a cent at the specialty restaurants. Let me know what your favorite free food is in the comments. And don't forget to grab your free cruise guide before your next sailing. Subscribe for more cruise hacks, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye now.